All right, so the last problem I'm going to go over is number 11. And number 11 is kind of going a different way. We have to be able to write an equation based on what is given to us here. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark where my focus is at. So I'm going to go to 3, 2 and mark my focus. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is mark my directrix. My directrix is y equals 8. So I'm going to go to where y equals 8 and mark my directrix. Okay, and then I'm going to try to find out where my vertex is, because if I want to write an equation, my vertex is going to be the most important point, because that's going to be my h value and my k value. And I also have to figure out which equation I need. Do I need the one that starts with a y, that looks like this, y equals a, x minus h squared plus k, or do I need the one that starts with an x equals a, y minus k squared plus h? So I've got to figure that out. Since this is y for my directrix, I know I'm going to need the y equation. Okay? That's how I know I'm going to need the y one. So I'm going to have y equals a, x minus h squared plus k. So what do I need? I need my vertex, h and k. I need this value, which is 1 over 4p. P stands for the distance from the vertex to the focus. So distance, vertex, to focus. Okay? All right, so let's figure this out. All right, first off, let's find our vertex. So our vertex is the midpoint between these two lines, these two parts right here. So you can count in with your fingers or do whatever. So I'm going to go 1, 2, they overlap there. So that point would be at 3, 5. So my vertex is going to be at 3, 5. Vertex, 3, 5. And at 3, 5, we put a dot. So 3, 5, vertex, and I know my graph is going to be going down because remember, it has to eat the focus, okay? It has to eat the focus when we're done, all right? Then, I've got to figure out the distance between my vertex and my focus. So how far is it from my vertex down to my focus? Well, it looks like I'm going in a negative direction because this is the negative y-axis going downward. I'm going down 1, 2, 3. So my distance is negative 3. So I know my p value is negative 3. So if I put all of these parts into this equation, I'm going to have y equals 1 over 4p, so 1 over 4 times negative 3, because that's my distance from my vertex to my focus, x minus 3 squared plus 5. So it's going to be y equals negative 1/12 x minus 3 squared plus 5. And then that's our answer for that problem. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. We're not going to do the evens till next week, remember. So you just have the odds. These problems are done very similar to 27, 29, and 31. All right? Have a great day.